Are you really going to show my face?
I'm going to show your face.
Oh my gosh.
Go ahead. Start.
He wasn't supposed to show my face. Okay, so we are going to try a duck recipe. We've never done this before. I don't even know what duck tastes like.
I've never eaten a duck, yeah.
So, but we're going to do it in our rival roaster oven. So let me show you. I already have it preheating to 425. And folks, it's gone through a little accident. It fell on the floor about a year ago.
The dog knocked it on the floor.
Off the shelf. So I'm not happy about that because you can't find that particular one anymore.
This dog over here.
Yeah. So we bought this duck at Aldi.
Yes.
Yeah. So we bought this duck at Aldi. It was $14.26. It's been thawing in the refrigerator for about 3 days. It says to do that 2 to 3 days. And we're going to cook it similar the way we do our turkey, how to cook a turkey in a rival roaster oven. We thought we'd do the same for folks that like to cook duck for Christmas. So we're going to go ahead and open it up. It should have, it says here, without neck and giblets, so you can get them with.
Is it giblets or giblets?
Oh,
I don't matter, does it?
I don't know.
Immaterial.
So, yeah, immaterial. Seasoned with approximately 12% of a solution of water and sea salt, but it also has an orange sauce packet.
Cool.
I'm notorious for cooking birds with stuff already still in them. So I like to read what's actually still left inside the bird.
Well, you don't leave the package or orange plastic goo in there.
If I'm super sleepy or if I got off a shift somewhere, I have been known to leave a whole packet of giblets and gravy and a turkey. But hey, it cooked just fine. So this one comes with orange sauce, but I also have my own orange sauce as well
that
we'll use. No, I bought it at Aldi.
Orange sauce.
So take a look here. This is our duck, and it's pretty.
It's pretty good.
So we're going to put it in the roaster oven like this. I'm not going to tie its legs. If you want to be fancy, you would tie the little legs together. And you want it to look prettier. Yeah. I'm not going to stuff it because I'm not a believer in stuffing birds and then cooking them. I just don't. But I will rinse it out and then rinse out my sink with bleach thoroughly.
You wash the sink very well.
So we're going to dump that. And I'll let Tony turn that sink off right there if he would. So if you'll just give me a second, let me wash my hands. And I'm going to let that sit for just a moment. Yeah, I'm letting it clean out and wash my hands real good. Wiped out the sink really good. And now I'm spraying it with
that
my
stuff is
Dawn
awesome.
Power Wash.
If you haven't used that, this is not like some sponsored thing, but we use that stuff all the time. I mean, it's stuff's great.
So I do recommend that you let your duck sit out, or any type of bird that you're cooking, let it sit out for about 30 minutes while your pot is heating up, after you rinse it off. And we've let this sit for a little bit since then. So I'm going to take her out of here, or him, and then we're going to season. So we're going to bring it over to the roaster oven. My hands are clean. I've cleaned everything.
That's good. It's getting warm. I can feel it.
Now, and this is warmed to 4,400.
4,400?
4,400. 425. Hold on. There we go. For that first 15 minutes, you'll cook it for 425. You're basically following the same instructions that we do with our turkey on the roaster oven. Let me get some salt and pepper. So we've got here.
Let's look inside the cabinet. Cool.
So here we've got. So take a look here. We've got some cinnamon, salt, pepper, and I am going to spray the inside with avocado spray.
Yeah. Hey, I'm surprised about the cinnamon. I didn't realize you put cinnamon.
I know, it's supposed to like enhance the flavor. And then I'm going to put some butter in there as well. So let's do all those steps right now. Let me get my paper towels. And then we'll be done.
It's a pretty easy duck.
I know. So of course my hands are going to get all dirty again, so I'm going to have to wash my hands. We're going to lay this to the side, and then we'll season it. I am going to put it breast up, so it'll go in breast up. Tony, if you could spray the pan right there real quick with the avocado spray. We're about to do that. Spray the entire pan.
Okay, time out. Folks, this is my part here. Look at this. Look how good I am at this. How's that, baby?
That's good. So now,
avocado spray.
Yes. We're going to put it in breast side up. there's its breast there. And again, if you wanted it to sit real nice and pretty, you could, but there's the breast.
If it sits ugly, as long as it cooks
Yeah.
good.
So let's move this over here to the side. I'm gonna wash my hands again. Tony, you might want to pause that for a second.
I'm gonna go see the dog. Hendrix, you're tired this morning, aren't you, buddy? It's kind of tired. He's a golden doodle, medium golden doodle. All right, back to the task. I noticed you had a little bit of gunk on there. I'm glad you found that.
Yeah, it's just where I handled it with it's just I think it's potatoes or something, potato dry. Okay, so let's I'm gonna salt it, and I'm not stuffing it. I already said that. I just don't want to stuff it. This one, I don't stuff any of my stuff anyway. I don't stuff any of my stuff.
You don't stuff your stuff.
Pepper.
Is there any difference in that kind of pepper and the peppers you don't grind?
I think it is. It has a little bit richer flavor.
Okay.
And let's put some seasoning. Let's just be kind of even or all the way across with the seasoning.
I'm surprised. about
The cinnamon, excuse me.
I think that's cool. I love cinnamon.
There's the cinnamon. And let's just add a little bit of butter inside.
Better the innards and the outers.
And innards and the outers. Y'all, it's not really a...
It's not a science, is it?
Yeah, it's not science. That's what I'm trying to say. So there's my... Wow, it smells really good.
It smells good.
So you've got butter, cinnamon, salt. You've washed it. You let it sit out for 30 minutes. You've got this turned up to 425.
425.
So that'll be 425 for 15 minutes. So Tony's gonna reach with his long arm, and he's gonna put that top on top.
I'm just gonna walk with my long legs.
I couldn't reach it.
There we go.
So we're gonna put a timer for 15 minutes.
Y'all notice that I topped that, which is the most important part.
All right, we'll get back with you.
Okay, it's for 45 minutes.
No, 15 minutes.
If you're
Here we
searing
go.
it, you're searing it.
All right, people. So he did this at the last video. 425, 15 minutes.
25, 15.
And then we turn it down to 350 for about an hour and 30 minutes.
Okay, gotcha.
So
So I'm gonna go shovel rocks while you're doing this.
don't let him confuse you. Okay, you got 15 minutes to shovel rocks, so go show him your rocks.
Okay, I'll show them rocks.
You got 15 minutes.
We're gonna see rocks.
Get back in here in 15 minutes.
This is Thanksgiving Day, 2021. Looks like a pretty day in the valley down yonder. We're kind of up on a little mountain, Mineral Springs Mountain. We're trying to play ball. Oh! Okay, hey. I'm gonna throw it, okay? Here he goes. Hey, you ready? You ready? Watch. Oh, mercy. He's crazy. Crazy dog. All right, so I've already posted a video time lapse of me doing this little area over here. I gotta finish it today. It's about, I don't know, 3/4 done. I gotta put a lot more rock in there and level it out. That's what I was talking about with Nikki. Long shadows, you can see it's 8 o'clock in the morning. Hendrix carried a stick and a ball in there last night, and Nikki's already put it back up, but a raccoon knocked her bird feeder out of the tree. Oh, the devil. So yeah, this is kind of neat. This is going to be a place where I'm just going to chill. I got to fill the rest of this in. I got to level the rest of this out with gravel. There's about plenty left. It's up there beyond Hendrix. What are you doing? Playing with the ball still? He is one of the cutest animals. He's got 2 balls. He's trying to corral the balls. He wants me to throw a ball, but he doesn't want me to get either one of them. I got to get one of them. You got to pick which one. Now you're in. He's an insane animal. You ready? Here it goes. That way. We got to go in and cook a duck. Finish cooking a duck. Can't play ball all morning with you. Duck cooking. You get to eat some of it later, maybe. Guess dogs can eat ducks. Dogs can fetch ducks. Poodles were designed to fetch ducks. Of course, you're not a full poodle, you're a golden retriever. You're bred of 2 duck catching bird dogs. Cool place to live up here, folks. I pretty much dig it. Been living up here for 11 years. Really awesome little place to have a dog and Native American cool wife that can cook. I'm blessed and thankful on Thanksgiving Day. Nikki's taking a break while the bird is cooking. She's got some little rolls here she's going to do for Thanksgiving Day. We've buttered those, the tops of those. It looks like she's going to cook some bacon for breakfast, Black Forest bacon. And she got some sausages split open here she's going to put in the air fryer. That's a Cuisinart little air fryer. It's totally changed the way we cook a lot of things. We love cooking that thing. So yeah, it's coming for breakfast. Wait, that's Nikki's brother John. Let's gotta say he's here with us on Thanksgiving. All right, go ahead, baby.
He told you get up here.
All right.
So it's been cooking for about 15 minutes on 425. We don't open it, remember?
Yeah.
This is a self-basting roaster oven. You can actually hear it in there. The juice is coming off to the side.
Basting itself.
So it's basting itself. You don't want to lose that steam.
Self-based.
So
what are you doing?
we're going to turn it to 350 now.
350.
So it was on 425 for 15 minutes. Now we're going to 350 for an hour 30, hour 40 minutes.
Hour and 40 minutes.
Yes. And I did get, here's some Mandarin orange sauce. It's from Target, Good and Gather. I'm going to taste it, but I'm also going to taste the sauce that came with it. And so this is the sauce.
See which one's better?
I'll see which one's better, and which one's better is the one I'll use.
They both came from Trader Joe's or Aldi, whatever. Yes, they probably. Yeah.
That one came from Aldi. The other one came from Target.
All came from Target, my bad.
He don't listen.
Wasn't listening.
He doesn't listen. So he's confusing all of you.
Sorry, y'all.
425, 15 minutes.
While the turkey's basting itself.
And
the
then-
duck.
Oh, dear God.
It's a duck.
Okay, 425 duck.
Duck 425.
15 minutes.
15 minutes. And
Turn it down
Turn it down.
to 350.
350.
Why are you repeating me?
It's my way.
It's your way, okay. Turn it down to 350 and then leave it there for about an hour and 30 minutes. Go. Just go away. We'll get back here. We'll get back to you. We'll have to write it down for you, okay?
Write it down.
We'll write it down and put it inside the email. Go away.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
I'm just going to record some of the sizzling sound. You hear that? It's done. It's been.
So we've got our dish here. Let's put it here for a second. I may not take it out just yet because I may put some orange sauce on it. Let's just look and see what it looks like here.
Oh, dang.
So
It looks awesome.
there is a cooked duck.
It's a duck.
So let's see.
It looks actually good.
Yeah, let me get a.
Are these like grabber things? Like Wolverine
Yeah,
type things?
these-
I didn't know you had those.
Those are from my mama. That's my mama over there. She gave
That's
me
her
these.
back.
That's my mama's back on the couch. But she gave me these because we can actually pick it up out of there. But
Crazy.
so let's take a look here and see
Impressed.
what the duck looks like. Just real quick, since we've never cooked a duck, it seems done. But let's just look here at this meat. Wow, it's cooking. It's cutting
looks
away
good,
very
yeah.
tender.
Yeah.
So let's put some orange sauce, and I'm gonna cook it for about another 10 minutes with the orange sauce on it. And then we'll take it out. Okay?
All right.
So again, that cooked at 425 for 15 minutes, and then it did 350 for about an hour and 30, hour 40 minutes. So let's let it cook another 10 minutes with the orange sauce. So we have our container to put our duck in. Had to think a minute. Let's see how it looks.
Wow.
There we go. Let's take it out with our little grabbers here. Let's go ahead and turn it off. I did put orange sauce on it. So those of you folks who watch, what is that movie? What's the movie? Where they eat the duck?
Oh, Christmas Story.
Christmas Story. Oh Lord, I hope I don't drop this sucker.
Oh, don't drop that duck. Talons.
There we go.
Look at that duck.
So there's the duck. Let's get you a little plate over there, Tony. We're gonna let you try it. I've never tried
On
it.
this plate?
No, that's for Thanksgiving.
Okay.
It's Thanksgiving today. We're doing this so y'all can make you
I've got a
duck.
very austere plain plate. This is my duck plate.
This is a duck plate. So you want to try a piece of the breast?
I'll
or the
just
thigh?
give you a piece of that duck that you want to put on me. I don't give a quack.
Oh, Lord. He said he don't give a quack, y'all.
Okay.
Let's
I
see.
suspect it's good. I've never eaten a
We
duck.
probably
in my life.
should let it rest.
I've eaten grouse and I've eaten pheasant and I've eaten
really
of course,
should-
chicken and turkey.
It really should probably rest a little bit.
Resting duck.
After.
You want to
coming
let
out.
the duck relax for a while?
Yes.
I'll eat it.
Hold on.
It's still kind of early in the day.
So we're gonna let Tony try some duck.
Yeah, that duck's got the layer of fat on it, so I'm gonna get that layer of fat off that duck. I'm just guessing. I don't want you to eat duck fat. I'm gonna eat the duck meat. Crap now. Oh, it's hot.
Why don't you just wait a second? We can let it cool.
Take a rest. Relax the duck. Oh, dang. Look at that. I did not realize ducks were covered with a little layer of fat like that. I guess that's what makes them float. Y'all see that? Here goes the duck meat. Wow. It's super tender. I like duck. I would never have thought I would like a duck. He thinks it's funny. Dang. It floats because it's got a little fat layer.
It's pretty.
Hendrix will love that little fat layer, but that duck meat is dang tender and sweet and nice. It's actually really good.
Okay, so now let's do your ending.
Do my ending. Peace to all who watch. Subscribe to the channel if you give a quack.
That's it. Lord help.
Oh, you aggravating dog. Trying to get a portrait of you and John. And you had to jump up here and be crazy.
Give the piece of that meat.
Oh yeah. We're gonna find out. We're gonna find out if Hendrix likes duck fat. Oh my, he says. Is that duck fat gone? It's gone, ain't it? Your finger licking good. Thumb licking good.